Hi, welcome to Project Projectiles. Let's take a look at the game that you'll be developing over the next handful of lessons. In this game, we are going to combine two of life's simple pleasures, throwing or launching objects into the air, and knocking stacks of things over. Introducing a game of projectiles and tower destruction. At the end of this project, your game will look something like this. Players control a cannon to launch cannonballs at a stack of wooden and stone blocks, destroying the wood and knocking down the colored target block. Once again, you are going to apply your knowledge of sprites and sprite properties in order to create a cannon, cannonballs, and a tower of blocks. You'll learn two new concepts, groups and tiles, in order to easily build your tower and keep track of all the blocks. You'll use booleans and if-else statements again, so that the player can move and rotate the cannon, fire the cannonballs, and destroy the blocks. We will briefly introduce the idea of for loops in order to find which individual blocks get hit by the cannonballs. And finally, you will create another user interface when the target block hits the ground in order to communicate to the player that they beat the level and let them know the number of cannonballs they shot. Throughout the project lessons, we will be guiding you through the 4 stages of the design process so that you can successfully apply your computational thinking skills, like decomposing the larger tasks into smaller tasks, and using patterns in pseudocode to plan the algorithm development. Awesome, let's get to it.